So the next thing I gotta do is cut this edge off right here and this one right here to square them up, but I don't have a camera stand, so I don't know if I can actually record this, but that's what I'm doing now. Here I am at a saw stop, table saw, and what I forgot to do is do a video before I cut it. But on the miter saw, I cut the edges on both ends, but on this saw, I cut the tops and the bottoms, and I've already squared them up, ran it through there, cut them up, and everything is square and good to go. Now time for sanding and the next coat. And next up, I'm over here at the drum sander. So I'm gonna run this through here and this sanding belt will sand the surface. So I'm gonna try to get these lines out of here now, sand it out. If I can't do it by this machine, I'll have to do it by hand, but I'll get both sides of this sanded down, and that will be fixed. Don't worry about that. All right, here we go. See how many lines are in it. Now you can see how smooth they're getting. And that's what happens. You just keep putting this in there over and over and over, and it sands it down for you. I'm gonna do this until it's smooth. Smooth as I'd like it. Easy process.